Hi everyone, today we're looking at the base station stand from Nomad, which is a wireless charger. Now this is an item that I would describe as premium, and you'll understand why in just a few moments time. So quickly unboxing this item, we find that it's both well protected and well packaged, and that is something that you should always expect from a premium item. Now inside the box we have the charging cable, the base station stand itself, an 18-watt power adapter, and more adapters for different countries, which is not something you actually see much of these days, so I actually was quite impressed by that. For charging, you get a USB-C to a USB-A braided cable that is both tough and durable, and the length of the cable is 2 meters long. Now as I'm in the UK, I need to use a 3-pin adapter, so here I just want to show you how very easy it is to use these adapters. All you need to do is literally push the standard pins of the power adapter flat, and then lining up the adapter, just slide it down, and that's it. After that, you can slide the USB-C end into the back of the base station, connect the USB-A into the power adapter, and then once you've connected that to the wall, you're good to go. So the charging base is made from a molded aluminium body, and it comes with a padded leather charging surface, and the bottom part is a non-slip rubber material to keep your device in place. Now behind the padded leather charging surface, there's actually 2 coils, each with 10 watts per coil. Now this is great to see. Now when you're actually charging something, there is an ambient light sensor at the front on the bottom, and this will dim automatically in low light, meaning that you can actually rest at night without it lighting up your entire room. In terms of compatibility, it works with all QI enabled devices. It supports iPhone 8 onwards, Pixel 3 onwards, AirPods, but you should note that it doesn't actually charge an Apple Watch. Now the compact design of this I would say is suited for any home or workspace environment, but it does come in at a retail price of just under $100 at $99.95. So this does mean you are in fact paying for those premium materials. However, this does deliver on everything that it says it does, and this is all backed by a solid 2-year warranty. So due to all of that, I can happily and definitely recommend this product if it's within your budget range. Now, if this design isn't for you or you prefer something cheaper, then there are cheaper options available on Amazon, but what I'll do is I'll put links to this and other options in the description below for you. Now of course, don't forget to like and comment down below what your thoughts of this are. If you're new, consider subscribing, and for other ways of supporting the channel, check out the video description for my affiliate links and offers down below. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.